Today we have discussed new concept uniformly convergence. Okay. Now what is the function is? Function is f n x is equals to nx 1 minus x की whole की power n, which we have to prove that it is not uniformly convergent, and this is pointwise convergence, right? What is the concept is used? If the sum of the functions is finite, then supremum of fn converges to 0. That is, this implies also if supremum of fn converges to 0, then sum of the functions is finite. When it is not uniform convergent, if fn is not converged to uniformly f, this implies that if there exists such that for all n epsilon there exists an xn such that f of xn minus f of x is greater than 2 epsilon. This is the most important fact, that this is greater than 2 epsilon. If it is less than epsilon, then it is uniformly convergent, but we have to prove negating of uniform convergence, that is greater than 2 epsilon. The third concept is used in this 1 plus y is less than equals to e की power y. Now we have to prove that fn converges to pointwise. For pointwise convergent, we have to find out maximum firstly. Del fn upon del x is equals to x 1 minus x की whole की power n minus 1 1 plus n square minus 1 on into x. At which point it has critical point? It has critical point at x equals to 0, 1, minus 1 over n square plus 1, and at the point this gives global max on closed interval 0, 1. Now set xn is equals to minus 1 over n square plus 1. Compute this fn xn at this point, which gives minus n over n square plus 1 1 plus xn की whole की power n. Limit n tending to infinity, it gives 0. So supremum of fn converges to 0. This implies that fn converges to 0 pointwise. So this convergence is not uniformly. How to it is prove that it is not uniform convergent? Let xn is equals to 1 over n. We have proved that it is not uniformly convergent. Xn is equals to 1 over n. Epsilon is greater than to e inverse. Then nx 1 minus x की whole की power n minus 0. It is converged to 0. Supremum of fn. So 0 norm of infinity, which is greater than equals to n xn 1 minus x की whole की power n. xn is equals to 1 over n. Putting this cancel out. This gives 1 minus 1 over n की whole की power n. This is e inverse. What is e inverse? Epsilon is greater than 2. Then epsilon is greater than 2 e inverse. So this implies that this function fnx minus fx gives to greater than 2 epsilon. So this implies that it is not uniformly convergent.